Hurricane Ian prep, our story. Got that coming up next. Bill here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. Hurricane Ian is about 24 hours from descending upon Tampa, Florida. What I thought I'd like to do would be to walk you through the prep that we've done for Hurricane Ian. So without any further ado, let's roll that clip in its entirety. Getting anywhere in a shopping center when a hurricane warning's been posted is a real tedious adventure, as you can see right here. And then, of course, there's been a run on ATMs and also cash at the grocery stores. And also, you're only allowed 4 cases of water. And this is the bread aisle. And here's the water aisle. And believe it or not, this is the Coca-Cola aisle. Now here is where we have moved all our outdoor furniture indoors. That's where my container of tarps is in case we need it. I hope that we don't. And you can tell we also moved our outdoor plants indoors. There they are over there. And then we moved our patio furniture inside as well. You can see our patio is empty. Now here's where the hurricane shutters reside, in the garage. And this is a neighbor that had already installed their hurricane shutters. Shutters are installed in the front. On the window of the laundry room. And on the side of the house. And in back. Okay, part of getting ready for Hurricane Ian involves technology as well. And you can see here, I have 3 Anchor power banks, and then that is a rechargeable flashlight that's there. Also, we have a Midland ER300 emergency hand crank radio. You can also charge your cell phone with that. And if you look on top, that does have a solar power panel on there, so that is charged by that. It does have an emergency SOS beacon that flashes. It's on the front, and it's also a radio. You're able to get NOAA weather radio alerts. And I have my unit and scanner right here. That is going to be such a trusty tool and will come in very handy. I've got 2 batteries for it, so that should be good. Have a 30-day lantern here. Had that for several years. It runs on D batteries, and on one setting it will run for 30 days, which is fantastic. Now, as far as ham radio is concerned, I have the IC705 is right here, and the best antenna option for indoors, I have an Edfong J-pole, and it's all set to go. And then my Bioenno battery for the 705, it's all ready to go. Plus I have the regular 705 battery. So we're covered on the technology front. And as part of the preparation, we're charging both a Mavic 3 and a DJI Mini 3 for after the hurricane passes, when it's safe. I want to take them out so we can be able to look to see how the roads are and whether or not it's safe to travel. Question of the day. What did you think of our prep for Hurricane Ian? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, pray for Tampa.